If you use Microsoft Word for writing, editing, or working on documents every day, knowing how to switch modes can make a big difference in your comfort and productivity. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch modes in Word, whether you want to turn dark mode on, switch back to a lighter view, or just change the look of the app to match your preference. This is a simple setting, but it can really help reduce eye strain and make Word feel easier to use, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of your screen. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and look at the top ribbon. The first thing you want to do is go to the View tab. The View tab is where Word keeps several display-related options, and it's the place you'll use to change how Word looks on your screen. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Dark Mode group. In that section, you should see the option that lets you switch modes. Click Switch Modes one time to change the current appearance. If Word is in the light mode or white mode, this will shift the interface into a darker look. If Word is already in dark mode, clicking it again will switch it back to a lighter or white mode, depending on how your version of Word is set up. The nice part about this setting is that you can toggle it back and forth whenever you want. So if you prefer a dark background while working at night, you can keep Word in dark mode. And if you want a brighter workspace during the day, you can switch back just as easily. It only takes a second, and there's no complicated setup required. Just remember that this option controls the display mode of Word itself, so it's meant to change the visual experience while you work. If you don't see the mode change right away, give it a moment and make sure you click the correct option in the View tab. In most versions of Word, the switch is straightforward. View, then Dark Mode group, then switch modes. That's really all there is to it. Once you've done that, you're finished. This is one of those small Word features that can make everyday use a lot more comfortable. Whether you're reading long documents, drafting reports, or just trying to make the screen easier on your eyes, switching modes is a quick way to customize your workspace. And now you know how to do it in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.